Listen to this. This is us leaving. This is us leaving. Leaving. This is what's happening behind us, just as we're getting up on the bench. If they were there before, I would have recorded as it's documented on my YouTube channel. I've got up to leave, and once again, very conclusive footage. I'm afraid to say they seem to be hovering around us, our family, just like you're seeing outside the doors. See exactly where we got up. Look, we got up. You heard it all take place. We got up. They start coming right behind, which means that they've been in the background, possibly for the whole day. So this is what seems to happen. Any activity from us triggers this off. Look. Yeah, I got it from the moment that we left. I said, listen to this, what's happening behind us. See? If they were there before, I would have recorded them, as I've just mentioned.